We are diving into the Cisco Wireless LAN Controller, or WLC GUI configuration, a critical hands-on topic for your CCNA exam. The goal is to build a secure, enterprise-grade wireless network from scratch. The first step inside the WLC is to configure it to talk to an external Radius server for authentication. You will navigate to the Security tab, then AAA, then Radius Authentication, and click New. The two most critical fields here are the server IP address and the shared secret. The shared secret is a password that must match exactly on the WLC and the Radius server. The exam loves to test this, often implying a mismatch is why authentication is failing. Next, we need a path for our wireless user traffic to get onto the wired network, which means creating a dynamic interface that maps to a VLAN. Go to the Controller tab, then Interfaces, and click New. You'll give the interface a name and, most importantly, assign it a VLAN ID. Let's say VLAN 20 for corporate users. This interface needs an IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. A major exam trap is the VLAN tagging mismatch. If you define interface VLAN 20 here, the switch port that the WLC is connected to must be configured as a trunk port, and that trunk must allow VLAN 20. If it doesn't, clients will connect to the Wi-Fi but won't be able to pass any traffic. Another common pitfall is DHCP server reachability. In the interface configuration, you must specify the IP address of the DHCP server for that VLAN. If clients connect but receive a 169.254 APIPA address, it's a huge clue that the WLC cannot reach the specified DHCP server or the IP helper address is misconfigured on the upstream router. With our backend configured, we create the WLAN itself. Go to the WLANs tab and select Create New. Here, you'll set the profile name and the SSID, which is the network name users will see. After creating it, you must link everything together. In the WLAN security settings, under the Layer 2 tab, you'll select WPA2 Enterprise. Then, under the AAA Servers tab, you will select the Radius server we created earlier. This enforces 802.1x authentication. For performance, you'll go to the QoS tab and set a quality of service profile like Platinum for voice traffic or Silver for standard data. The CCNA expects you to know which profile suits which traffic type. A great mental shortcut for this entire process is Radius interfaces the WLAN securely, or RIS. First, set up the Radius server. Second, build the interface. Third, create the WLAN. And finally, apply the security. This order ensures all the components are in place before you try to link them. The exam will test this through troubleshooting scenarios, so understanding this logical flow is key to diagnosing problems like authentication failures or clients not getting IP addresses. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.